Have you ever seen a bar of soap so beautiful you almost didn't want to use it? Fancy soaps are everywhere. They smell amazing. These soaps are not just for cleaning. They are a feast for the senses. They come in pretty colors and shapes. From swirls to layers, each bar is a piece of art. But did you know you can make your own fancy soap at home? Yes, you can create these beautiful bars right in your kitchen. It's easier than you think. With a few simple ingredients and tools, you can start your soap-making journey. Welcome back to Glowenvy. If you love DIY projects, self-care, and all things glam, hit that subscribe button because today, we're turning soap-making into an art. Let's dive into the world of DIY soap-making. Homemade soap is special. It's unique. Each bar reflects your personal touch. You can choose your favorite colors and scents. Imagine the possibilities with endless combinations. You can add special ingredients like flowers or oatmeal. These additions not only look beautiful but also add unique benefits to your soap. Making your own soap is a fun and rewarding hobby. It's a great way to spend time with friends and family. You can even give your creations as gifts. Handmade soaps make thoughtful and personalized presents. Get ready for a creative adventure. Let's start making some beautiful fragrant soaps together. Soap making might seem magical, but it's actually science. It all starts with a process called saponification. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Basically, we mix fats or oils with lye. This creates a chemical reaction. The result? Soap. We use lye carefully. It can be dangerous if not handled properly. Safety first. Always wear gloves and goggles when working with lye. Make sure your work area is well ventilated. Once the lye works its magic, it's no longer dangerous in the finished soap. Ready to make soap? Let's dive into the wonderful world of soap making and create your own Sudsy masterpiece. Let's gather our ingredients and tools. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need oils like olive oil or coconut oil. These oils are the base of your soap and provide moisturizing properties. Lye is essential for the saponification process. Handle it with care as it is a caustic substance. Water helps to dissolve the lye safely. Always measure your water accurately to ensure the right consistency. Don't forget your favorite colors and scents. These will give your soap a personal touch and make it uniquely yours. We'll follow a recipe carefully. This ensures that our soap turns out perfectly every time. First, we mix the lye and water. This step is crucial for creating the chemical reaction needed for soap. This creates a lye solution. Stir it well until the lye is completely dissolved. Always add lye to water, never the other way around. This prevents dangerous splashes and ensures safety. Next, we blend the lye solution with our chosen oils. This is where the magic of soap making begins. We use a stick blender to create a smooth soap batter. Blend until you reach a trace, which is a pudding-like consistency. Then, we add colors and scents. This is the fun part where you can get creative with your soap. Finally, we pour the batter into molds and let it harden. After a few weeks of curing, your handmade soap will be ready to use.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
Nation. If you love fun and creative beauty DIYs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy adventure. See you in the next one.